Okay, stay here, okay? I will get your, new car seat. Wait. Oh, it's here. Ito si Kuya. Kuya natin yung bagong car seat ni Kuya Yusuf. Kasi yung ginagamit ni Kuya Yusuf, yun naman yung gagamitin ni Bunso. Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak, Mudir. Tamam? Alhamdulillah. तुम कैसे हैं? See? Okay. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz. Ayun na. Tignan natin mamaya sa bahay. Init.
That's your,
Car seat.
new car seat, oh.
Wow!
Until 12 years old na yan, ha.
Wow!
Pang matagalan na yan sa'yo.
Kuya Yusuf is car seat. You like it?
Right. It's car seat and
Huh?
it means easy. It means car seat, right?
It's baby hard, Kuya. From to sa
First cry.
first cry ulit. Ayan.
Baka naman, first cry.
Baka naman first cry. Second cry na to. Let's go inside. Yes, ito na.
Yes.
Yes, here. Here is the car seat of Kuya Yusuf. Now we can go to Dubai na.
Yes. Now you can go to.
We can go to Dubai kasi binenta nga namin yung 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 Joey malaking stroller na may car seat ni Bunso. So, ganda kami ngayon. Kasi nga, Eid ngayon, buti dumating tong car seat ni Kuya Yusuf. Yeah?
Yes.
The one you use is for
This one is.
Ismael. This new is for you. Okay? Because we sell out this Ismael car seat and the stroller of Ismael. The Joey.
Toby, yeah.
Yes.
This Toby.
No, this is a different car seat for you. Whoa! There's a bubble wrap.
Huwag mo tapon yung bubble wrap. Gagamitin ko.
Nanay will use the bubble wrap. Bismillah.
Huwag mo sirain na.
It's so big. Wow! Oh, this is it, pansit.
Nakaganyan din yung kay Yusuf dati.
Ata, ano ko nanay? Naka siya. Bye.
Huwag mo sirain Yusuf.
Wait kuya.
Don't break the bubble wrap.
Nanay said don't break the rules.
I'm gonna use it.
Gonna use it because you're going to Philippines, right?
I'm gonna use it for the battle something.
What? Because the headrest is going up. Going down.
It's nice. Same like yours now with the old
This is
one.
yours.
Yes.
Okay?
Same like the old one, baby.
And this one pa.
That one pa?
Yes. What?
How can you put?
Wait, kuya. Let's bolt in. Let's bolt in.
Okay, wait.
Ganun pala yun. Wait, kuya, wait lang po.
Oh, bakit mo?
Wait, kuya. Wait, ano? Ano mo siya. Shoot mo dito, di ba?
There's also Patmia.
May manual ba?
All done. That's it, pansit.
Wait. There's a
Nalagay siya.
Yeah, if you press it, ituturo niya tong yung pula. Ito. Kasi pag pinrest mo siya,
Will get up
it will go up in the sky.
like that.
Yeah.
Color babies.
See?
Pag mantangkad ka na.
Yeah. Then it's so high now.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
so high.
Yeah,
Better
because you
if
press it.
Put it down for a while because
Oh yeah, we'll press it down again, okay?
Yes. So you can press the button if it's
What?
up.
See, it's down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Let's check it out. You sit down.
You sit down like that.
Uh-oh, tatanggal siya. Hindi kasi siguro normal na natatanggal siya pag nakaganyan. Pero sa kotse kasi, nakasandal lang naman siya eh. Tapos
Wala
naka-seatbelt.
bang manual?
Ito, manual.
Check mo yung manual.
Oo. Hindi ka talaga eh. It's a normal. Kasi nga eh, kuwan. Aray! Tapos,
Pang
i-strap natin.
second siguro.
Ha? Nasaan? Ay, oo nga no, nandun sa loob. Hindi ko pa nasukuha. Ayan. So, yun lang. Ito na yung car seat ni Kuya Yusuf.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye guys. Sit down first. Let's show them the how you sit down.
Okay, this one first.
Hmm?
This one first, Papa.
Wait. This is a manual, Kuya. There's no need to. Aliw. And then,
Second one.
sa taas o sa baba?
Second, oh.
Ano yung
taas.
second? Taas, pinakataas.
Siyempre, kung sa baba, maliit.
Oo. Ayan, papasok ko na muna. Nakita mo ba?
Hindi.
Yun.
Ayan.
Ta.
Ayan, oh.
Oo. Pinasok ko muna yung seatbelt. Kaya, just sabar. Yeah? Ay! Si Ismael, hindi na namin napansin.
Tama ba yan? Baka mamaya ulit yan. Balikot na naman yung
Dito, sa harap.
yung sa seatbelt.
Oo, ayun. Ay! Kuya, just wait lang po.
Okay.
Ay, parang gato din yung no? Yung sa kanya.
Oo nga.
Yung car seat niya. Kuya. Why you keep on pressing it?
Because it will straight up.
You sit down. You sit down along, then I will press it up.
Yes.
Sit
Show
down.
me. Show me.
Sit down. Sit down. Yeah.
Punta the phone. Baka inupuan niya yung oh, di ba?
One more pa. Great
Oh,
job!
sakto na sa'yo.
Okay.
Oh.
Nahulog.
Pang big boy na talaga yung
Wait, kuya. Hindi ko nakita. Wait, kuya. Where is it? Buckle up.
Oh, pang big boy na talaga ikaw, anak.
Great job! Say thank you, nanay.
Thank you, Nanay.
I love you. Oh, pang big boy na talaga dapat yung car seat
See,
mo, anak.
it's tight. Ito yung tight. Pagka ita-tight mo siya. Ay! Shish! Tanggal. Tatay is not good. Yeah, I remove accidentally. Okay, later. Ayun o. Ayun na. Tapos pagka inulus, ipe-press mo lang.
Oo, ulit.
Oo, ayun o. Wait, kuya.
No, you better wear the seatbelt properly. Kuya. We will fix it later. We will try it later, this car seat.
Ayun o. You like it? Yeah, so we can... hi, Ate Erica. At Tita Aisha, we're going to Dubai na. You have a new car seat na. Yeah?
Like that.
And then, if you want to press up, then it will go up.
Yes.
Para saan yan?
Hmm? Para
Yung
ganun.
red. Baka,
Okay, press this one. Here. Oink. Release. Okay na. Okay na. Bye-bye, guys. O, sige na. Kaya, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Bye-bye, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Bye-bye.